Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Indus Business School. Today I am honored and privileged to introduce you to today's guest. We have with us Mr. Milan Modi, Business Director, Digital Marketing, Medicine World. Mr. Kashish Chauasia, Manager, Strategy and Management Consulting, PwC, India. Hello, welcome to the Institute.
Hello. Hi.
I would like to know that you had a session with our students. How was it?
So first of all, I would like to appreciate the army discipline that you are following at the entire campus. An MBA college where people are wearing a uniform, working, having sessions from Monday to Saturday is a great thing to have in today's world. Also, no smartphones allowed during the sessions, so really great. About the session, it was really good engaging with them. I didn't feel it was a monologue. It was a dialogue kind of thing where got to hear a lot of questions of what the young minds are thinking now and how they are perceiving marketing, or let's say digital marketing, and was overall a very good session to have.
So Mr. Kashish, what you would like to say regarding it?
So yeah, like as Milan has already mentioned, the kind of enthusiasm that we saw in students was really commendable. Like of course, being a Saturday and like these guys are having back-to-back sessions. So that way we really find it really inspiring for us also. I mean, like the kind of interest that these guys were showing, how they was trying to showcase how ready they are to get into the corporate world, and also the kind of audience that we interacted with was really nice.
So Mr. Milan, you are from digital marketing background. So I would like to know that what all opportunities for our students are available in the market these days.
So digital marketing is actually a part of marketing, but I would like to say it is very vast. Right? There are people who spend their entire careers into something called as search engine optimization. Right? So there's SEO in digital. There is also something called as paid media marketing, where you have all the Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads of the world. There is also something called as website development. There is something called as copywriting. There is something called as content creation. Influencer marketing itself is becoming really big. So these are some 5-6 avenues which students can build skill set, develop, and get their career and spend the next 20 years in this field. So these are some of the fields where students can really.
How you feel that nowadays digital marketing, is it like taking over on offline marketing? Nowadays the craze of online marketing is more than offline marketing. What do you have to say?
So my POV here is we first look at what the brand is trying to achieve, right? So we always focus on brand first and media second. So we always see where is the consumer right now. Is he spending more time on television? Is he spending more time on mobile? But you must have seen something called as, there is a rise of connected TV, all the smart TVs of the world. So for a marketer like me, it's important to understand where is, out of 24 hours in the day of a consumer, which medium is he consuming the most. And when I say that, on what medium is he spending a lot of time, on what medium is engaging with the media, not just watching, sitting in front of a screen, but also trying to engage, maybe doing a QR code scan, maybe sending an SMS to the company. So whenever I recommend a strategy to my set of accounts, I always see what the consumer is doing, and then I recommend how fit it is for the brand.
Mr. Kashish, you are from management consulting background. So what you suggest to our students, what they should learn in these 2 years so that they can move to the corporate world?
So coming from different backgrounds, like people are here from HR, finance, operations, marketing. So these days, it's not all about communication. It's all about having technical skills as well. You cannot think of a career wherein you are bypassing a technology. So having a career in HR analytics, having a career in marketing analytics, there are a lot of tools available specifically. If you are planning to get into research and all. So students should be focusing mainly on the kind of technology which is out there available, because usually each and every company you see today, they are going for a digital transformation. Each and every company is looking forward to automate their plants. So automation, going on cloud, be it SAP, specifically from HR analytics aspect, there is success factor. So these kind of tools are very necessary in today's world. This will give them an edge over to the other students. So yeah, I mean, like I have already recommended them to learn all these things from now on, because first is the right time to start like indulging into such kind of live projects wherein they get knowledge on such kind of tools, what corporate is actually using at this point of time. So understanding onto going for the certifications and all. So these are some of the important aspects that they should be focusing.
So you believe that apart from academics, networking also plays a very important role, and like in these 2 years, they should build a good network.
Right, so there's a very beautiful saying in marketing that your net worth is your net worth, right? So I'm not saying anything we have heard a lot of times this, but just to reiterate, you never know that you are connected to a friend, and that person might reach out to you on LinkedIn or might call you and tell you that we have an opening for you, right? So I really feel being a part of multiple industry events, being connected to the right set of people on LinkedIn, being a very approachable kind of person really, helps you to expand your network, and you never know the opportunity may strike in front of you.
Thank you so much. It was a great talking to you both. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.